This is my new bracelet. Do you like it? How much? This much? Welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Beauty Bee. This is the first video of 2024. Happy New Year. I welcome you all to my first video of this new year. Very excited because first of all, this is the first video of the year, and also another excitement, there's so many excitement going on here right now. Another excitement is that I'm filming from a whole brand new place. Yes, I have moved to a new province and everything new here, very cold. The temperature is -35 outside, so pretty excited. It's cold, but it's still exciting to me. I love snow. I always loved snow. Being cold and staying cozy warm at home is one of my favorite things. So I would say I'm enjoying it. And by the temperature, I think you can guess here. Yes, I'm filming this video from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Yes, I have moved here from Toronto. And if you're wondering why and you want to know about the whole journey, it is definitely coming to my vlog channel, so keep an eye on my vlog channel, Travel with Sadia and Anwar. And now today in this video we are talking about something really special. So you guys, this video is a long-awaited video, long-awaited unboxing, because today I'm going to unbox something very special. Yes, you know from the title, I'm unboxing my first ever diamond tennis bracelet. So excited. So here is the packaging, Mejuri package. I'm going to unbox with you together. Before I unbox this thing, I want to tell you a very short story. Because why it has been like a very different unboxing for me. This Mejuri piece was ordered before Christmas and during the holiday season, so I actually saved a lot on this, and I'll tell you how. I saved on this at the end part of the video. Now I'm gonna tell you why this is a very special unboxing, because so Mejuri was having their Black Friday 20% off sale, and I was planning to get a tennis bracelet for a long time, and Mejuri tennis bracelets are very sparkly, so I was always eyeing on that. So I ordered this one during the holiday season. I was supposed to get it before the Christmas time, but unfortunately it was late, and also my travel time was coming closer, so I wasn't sure, like, should I place the order to my home address in Toronto, or should I place the order in my new address in Saskatoon. So it was very confusing, and this is so expensive, so I never wanted it to get lost in the way. Very you know, anxious about it. And I must say Mejuri handled it really nicely, and I'll tell you the rest of the story after we unbox this. And it has actually arrived, you know, sometime around the end of the December, like 30th December, something like that. And one of my friend actually living in Saskatoon received this box, and she gave it to me like about a week back, and then I just didn't want to open it. You know, you can only see how much patience I have. I didn't get a time to sit and film everything, but I really wanted to show you guys my raw reaction of unboxing it. I wanted to do it in front of the camera, so I just had patience, so much patience. This is such a, you know, piece that I was waiting for so long. I got it and I still didn't open it. Can you believe that? So let's do it together, okay? And then I will tell you how I actually saved so much. Okay, let's open this now. So as usual, they came really nicely. Let's open this. Oh, wow, look at the presentation. It's really nice, like that. And now we're going to open. Well, I love the dust bag. As always, it came really nicely in a long cute box. I'm so nervous to open. Am I going to love it or not? This is very expensive. Well, wow. I really have no words. Like, is this really mine? Look at that. Look at that very closely. I mean, this is the diamond tennis bracelet. And you know, guys, this is so sparkly. Like, even in the daylight with literally no sun out there, it's very gloomy. It's pretty gloomy today. A little bit of sun there, but not really the bright sunny day. But still, look at the shine of these diamonds. Like, they're shining. Let's have a very close look. I want to give you some details. So this is the 2-carat one. Previously, Mejuri has only had only the 1-carat diamond bracelet. But this 2-carat is a new addition to their collection, and this is a new addition to their collection. And when I placed order, they actually didn't have any at store to try out, so I just ordered online without seeing it at store. I tried the 1-carat one, which I loved, but 2-carat one obviously a little bigger than 1-carat and looks perfect. So now I have my bracelet on here. This is my new tennis bracelet, which looks absolutely stunning. And then I have paired it up with my Mejuri serpentine bracelet. And actually, I always wanted to pair these two together. That's the main reason I wanted to have a tennis bracelet. I just think they look so good together to, you know, stack up, and I really like it. And then my tennis bracelet actually in gold color, and they also have white gold and yellow gold. Mine one is the yellow gold color, and I think I chose yellow gold just because most of my jewelries are yellow gold, so yellow gold looks better with other yellow gold jewelries. Also, some people wear, like for the tennis bracelet, white gold looks also very stunning. So some people actually put together white gold and the yellow gold together in case of tennis bracelet, and that looks nice too. And now the trend is also coming for white and yellow gold mixing up. I love this trend as well. That has been always my favorite. I have many jewelries from also back home, like mixing white and yellow gold together. That's kind of my favorite. But yeah, for my first tennis bracelet, I really wanted to have it in a yellow gold, and maybe in the future I will try to get one in white gold, because that also attracts me so much. This is my new bracelet. Do you like it? How much? This much? Do you think I made a good purchase or not? Oh, you love it? Thank you. So please everyone subscribe to Mommy's channel.
Please everyone subscribe to my channel. Bye.
So now the story part, how I saved so much on this tennis bracelet. So this is the 2-carat tennis bracelet. So by the time I decided to get this, this was actually in a position of made to order. So I could order, like pre-order, and they would ship it like 2-3 months later. It was something like they were going to ship it like about a month or 2 later. So it was something like that. 1-carat was still available, but 2-carat was not. So because I wanted the 1-carat is like very thin, so I thought when 2-carat is available, so definitely I should go for that, and it was obviously pricier than the 1-carat one. So what I did, I ordered this during the Black Friday 20% off sale time. So already I was saving a good amount on this bracelet, because you know, when you order something really pricey, then the discount actually applies better. So I was saving pretty good amount. I was happy with that. My order was supposed to arrive by 24th of December. So I ordered, I already mentioned that I was moving provinces. So I was really not sure like which date it was coming and where should I place the order. And also there was no option for picking it up from the store. It was only available to ship. So this was not actually available to be picked up from any stores, or I could not order it to any pickup point. So the only way was that they were going to ship it. And they also mentioned me, I did chat like many times with the customer care, and I must mention that Mejuri did really a good job, because the customer care was really helpful, and they mentioned me like at least 15 or at least 2 weeks before I have to mention them like which address I really wanted it. So initially I placed order to my old address, but then when time passed by I felt like my order was delayed, and I also got notification that my order was supposed to be even more delayed. So because I knew I was definitely coming to this new place, and I have a friend here, so I put her address, and I actually updated my address with Mejuri 2 weeks earlier before the shipping, that because they were already notifying me the probable date of shipping, and they shipped it to my friend's place, and it came really nicely, because I wasn't sure like it's coming so far away if it's coming properly or not. So I was like really having anxiety with this. This is such a tiny piece, and I was so nervous, but at the end everything went really well. It came out really nicely. But the wonderful thing about the Mejuri customer care is that because they actually delayed about 15 days more than the actual order, they refunded me 15% more. So additional 15% on the top of 20%, actually a pretty good saving, which usually never happens in a diamond tennis bracelet. These are expensive and you don't really get discounts on this, even if you get discount that are like not more than 15%, right? So I actually got 20 and then additional 15, so it's a huge discount, and I actually bought it for a really good price, and I'm very happy. My first tennis bracelet, which I actually waited for so long, and I could not decide at the very beginning like if I want the yellow gold, white gold. I was like in between. Now I have the yellow gold one. I'm very happy. I think this one is like so pretty, and the certain serpentine bracelet is also like liquid gold. It looks so good, so shiny all the time. And ever since I bought this one, it has been a couple of months now. I have been always wearing it, never took it off. It looks so, as like exactly as new, and never just changed its color or nothing, because it's pure gold. So it should be like that. So that is all. Let me know if you love this video today. I will post the link for both of this in the description box below, so you can see exactly what I'm wearing, and you can find them exactly the way. Also, I got this little ring here. This is their signet pave diamond ring, which is one of my favorite, and I also got this during the sale season, and it was a private sale. Actually, I got invited for the sale and I got it for 20% off. So far I'm very happy with the quality of the Mejuri diamond. They're really good, and I plan to collect more because I'm very happy with their shine and how durable they are. They're so good for everyday piece. They're just fantastic. So thank you so much for watching this video today. I end this video here, and also I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you next time on my next video. Stay with me. Bye.